Hi guys, welcome to this short tutorial video on how to play the chords to Hey Ya by OutKast. So the first chord that you need is G. Okay, the way you find G, if you find the three black notes that are in roughly the middle of the keyboard, the first black note on the left is F sharp. If you just come up one semitone from that, that's G. Okay, then if you skip one note, which is A, the note next to that is B. Skip one more white note, that's C, and the note next to that is D. That's the first chord. The second chord is C. So if you take that shape you've got there and just move it up so your thumb sits on the C. The notes for C major are C, E, and then G. Then the third chord is D major. So again, what you're going to do is you're going to move your thumb onto D. This time we need an F sharp, because it's a major third, and then an A. D, F sharp, and A. Make sure you can see that. D, F sharp, and A. And then the fourth chord is E major. So again, we're just taking that shape and moving it up, moving your thumb up one tone to the E, so it's E, and then G sharp, and then B. Okay, so when we put it into sequence, okay, I'll do it very, very slowly. We're going to play the G chord for 4 beats, 2, 3, 4, then we're going to change up to C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. When we get to D, we're only going to play 2 beats on that. So we're going to go 1, 2, straight up to the E. Oh, sorry, wrong. 2, 3, 4. I'll go back and do that again. So it's 4 beats on G. 2, 3, 4. Move up to C. 2, 3, 4. C. 2, 3, 4. D. 2. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So when we do the D, when we play the D, we're actually playing what's called a 2/4 bar. Okay, so we're only playing 2 beats on that chord. The rest of the chords are all in 4/4. So let's go over that sequence once more. So the G is you're only playing the G for 1 bar. The C is for 2 bars. The D is for 2 beats, and then the E is for 2 bars as well. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so those are the basic piano chords. If you don't want to move your hand around as much on the keyboard, you can use inversions. Okay, so the G, we can probably play that in the first inversion, which is when you go to the C, rather than jumping up to there, what you can do is just simply move your second and third fingers onto C and E. Okay, that's still a C chord. So you've got G, position, C. Now what I'm going to do here, to go to the D chord, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my thumb onto the A, my index finger onto the D, and then my third finger onto F sharp. Okay, that's a D chord. And then to get to the E, I'm just going to move my thumb onto the B, my index finger onto E, and then my third finger onto G sharp. Okay, so let's put those into sequence. So we got 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now, if you've listened to the track, you'll notice that the track is pretty quick. It's sort of like this tempo. It's pretty quick. So what I'm going to try and do now is just play the basic chords along to the song and see how we get along.
1, 2, 3.